I Can Sing It Better is proudly brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.
Tikulandireni mu mpikisano umene wa I Can Sing It Better. Panakali pano tatsala ndi anthu 10 kuchoka pa anthu 50 amene anapanga audition. Dzina langa ndinali nafe chunga. Mwina ndingofunsa ma judges kuchoka pa anthu 50 amene anabwera kuma auditions kuzafika pano pamene tatsala ndi ana matatule 10. Mpikisano mwaona bwanji? Ndiyambe ndi Joseph.
So mpikisano wake ukhala uvuta kwambiri.
Nangaluko kuyembekezera chani kuchoka kwa ma contestants athu lero?
Tiona kuti kodi lalero ite bwanji.
Nanga Cindy, competition wamene yafika apa kuiona bwanji?
Kujema.
Sure. Okay, ndiye leloli we are keeping it local. Anthu wakhala kuimba nyimbo za Malawi zoimbidwa nda Malawi. Mmene somukonera dressing yathu, ma judges iwo ife ma contestant athu tonse lelo tavala mwachi Malawi. Ndiye mosatsana nthawi titane contestant wathu oyambilira Myra Elias amene akhala kuimba nyimbo ya Saint Relest ndi Vailira.
Hey Myra.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. Lelo tiyembekezere zotani chokera kwayi.
Just be prepared for some fireworks.
Fireworks, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wakonzeka? Nyimbo yanji imene ufuna uimbe?
Ndi Vailira by Saint Relest and Kelke.
Tena.
Yeah. Why would I be stressing? Why should I be forcing? Ngatizata pozata, man get up and move on. Zikavuta zavuta, got no time to worry. Eyazata pozata, man get up and move on. So many people out there akufuna chikonde I say. So many people out there akusoa chikondi I say. So kaya ma exi yakwana hanzi zilibe kantu. I'm just moving on my no. I no go wait for any man. Bali bekulila ukateta ndi Vailira. You will never hear me here. Oh, bali bekudanda ukateta ndi Vailira. You will never hear me oh. You out of line to think that you're the best. Sikutindiwe where come on better. I can't find another on your mwita a million ways. I ain't got time to cry. Said I ain't got time to cry. I ain't got time to cry. So just say bye bye. No. So many people out there akufuna chikonde I say. So many people out there akusoa chikondi I say. So kaya ma exi yakwana hanzi zilibe kantu. I'm just moving on. I'm moving on my guy. Bali bekulila ukateta ndi Vailira. You will never hear me here. Hear me here. Oh, bali bekudanda ukateta ndi Vailira. You will never hear me here. Oh. You'll never hear me, no. You'll never hear me, no. Yeah. Hey, no. Oh no, it's bye from me. You'll never hear me here. Oh.
Hey, umaliza. Yeah. So, yeah, how do you feel?
I feel a bit nervous.
Banje, modo balero.
I ndilindi like a sore throat or something. So, yeah. But regardless, yeah.
Okay, yeah, actually I agree with you. For the Nabanga sense would the minoma imbamo. Minaso wouldn't go dengera would for the Dagona Maurendo Angabo, because when the competition reaches my stage, I just want to enjoy Ngadi anyone else in the audience, not as a judge. You understand? Yeah, so all the best, eh?
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Hi.
Hello.
You look nice.
Thank you.
I just feel like this song was too low for you, especially the key itself. Knowing Goody, now that you have more like a sore throat, I think you really had a hard time to bang and navigate the low notes. So I think next time, just choose a song that's a bit there, so that good winner voice yagondi whatever you're singing should really match with Bobo. Komano, other than that it was okay for me.
Hi, Myra.
Hi.
When you're singing, I was trying to think about your previous performance and what you're singing today. I know to some extent, as she's saying, the key might have done injustice to you. However, as a singer that you are, and the capabilities that I know that you have, I'm sure you can always maneuver your way around such kind of a song when it feels like it's a bit lower. I didn't enjoy the performance today. As you say, you've got a sore throat, maybe that contributed. But let's see how this goes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.
See you.
I can sing it better. I now have Myra. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right. So can you just tell us, how has the journey been for you so far in I Can Sing It Better?
It's been a lot of things. Tough, exciting, but I can say that I've learned so much coming this far. I've learned so much. I've gotten critique from the judges. Also, seeing my friends perform, I've also learned that, oh, this is cool. This is something new to learn, that you can do this and stuff like that. So far, so good.
Yeah.
All
right. So if you look at your journey, which of the stages do you think was the toughest for you and why?
Round 4, this stage that we just did, it was tough, mostly because I think song choice was bad for me. The song I chose, the key was lower than I had originally planned. So my voice is just, some days, just chooses that today, let's sing, But regardless, you still have to keep going. But I would say round 4 was the toughest.
All right. So looking at your performance, self-evaluation, do you think you're going to make it into the top 5?
In the hands of God. Ababa's in the hands of God. I put it in the hands of God. Because, you can only, I can't tell. Everyone is really good in this whole competition. Everyone wants to win. Everyone wants to put their heart out. So, we'll just see.
All right. All the best.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Hi, Joseph. How are you doing today?
Okay, and yourself?
I'm okay. So what are you doing for us today?
Today I'm gonna do Kondaine by Promotional.
Nice song and nice choice. All right, take it away.
I keep coming back for more. Now my heart addicted to seeing you go. I try to walk away, but my heart boomerang, boomerang. I'm afraid to go, but my heart chooses to stay. Choose to stay, my heart chooses to stay. Choose to stay, my heart chooses to stay. Umango kala, baby. Umango kala, baby. Unandida ta kondaine, kondaine. Unandida ta kondaine, kondaine. koma bwanji ndimakonda iwe konda iwe konda unandidetsa konda ine konda koma bwanji ndimakonda iwe konda iwe konda unandidetsa konda ine konda ine anthu akuti are bad for me now baby iwe ndinjoti ine ninkaka chingombe anthu akuti are bad for me now iwe ndi moto ine nintaka uchoke just to stay my heart just to stay 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 umango baby kuri banjo umango kala baby unandidetsa konda ine unandidetsa konda ine koma bwanji ndimakonda iwe konda koma bwanji ndimakonda iwe konda unandidetsa konda ine konda unandidetsa konda ine no not just to stay not just to stay just to stay, just to stay, my heart just to stay, just to stay, my heart just to stay. Umango kala baby, unandidetsa konda ine, unandidetsa konda ine, koma bwanji ndimakonda iwe konda unandidetsa konda ine. Koma bwanji ndimakonda iwe konda iwe unandidetsa konda ine ah 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 ah
Okay. Dansirori mnakaribitirira. Okay. You remember what I said last week? Ndinawadzanena za tono points. Nena kuti muntu ukamapanga ma riffs, more like I know you love riffs kwambiri. So when you're doing my riffs, umafunika so ma tono points ajoze agwira bobo. So you still have to work on those ones. Yeah, I think that's what I have to say for now.
Okay.
Sure.
Joseph.
Yes.
All right. I would say I've listened to this song, I mean, 1,000,000 times. The only thing that I've loved is you've done it your word, right? I know maybe the key was not too good for you and you had to find your way out on how you can deliver this song. We needed to hear more of what you're saying. However, I love the creative part of how you've done the song.
Nyimbo yo ndio kuti umayesetsa kuti uyipase vibe. Yeah, kungoonesa be that facial expression kuti like now you're smiling. I think that will make it brighter. Yeah, so so far so good. Yeah, I love the performance. Like this. Okay, so you can go.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Abandi dino ndi Joseph. I think you're one of the people amene wakhala kuimba be tinyimbo tachichewa choncho, and I'm pretty sure kuti mwina lero lisiri navute kweni kuti muimbe nyimbo yachichewa imene.
Ayabunenyinama. Chifukwa my choices are ambiri. Komano it was still tough, Yeah, it was tough to pick a song. Komano eventually I found nyimbo imene inatega. So yeah, thank God for that. Yeah, that's what I can say.
Okay. Looking at how you performed, do you think you are going to make it into the top 5?
I'm not sure. I can say what I'm hopeful that I get it. I'm not sure.
Just hopeful.
just hopeful. Could it works out.
Right. So mwina tangotiuzako some of the things that you've gotten from this competition since you started. Some things, notable things, could you can point out, could have learned this and that?
Okay, I think first and foremost, the stage presence. Yeah, I think I'm not so used to singing alone per stage. I think as the competition has been going on, I'm comfortable. Yeah, like Mazbang Express, otherwise, that's the major thing I can say would have taken out from the competition. Yeah, that's it.
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Play like a champion. Sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win. Somebody win. Agreed it. Moyo wako. Daddy play like a champion. Sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win. Somebody win. Agreed it. Moyo wako.
Muzanena koma zizindikiro zisakhalapo ndi zonse loto zonse ndi Zodiak. Afrigaming International ndiyo vomerezedwa ndi Malawi Gaming and Lotteries Authority. Masewero amaheri atha kuyambitsa chizolowezi chomwe chikhoza kuyika moyo wanu pa chiopsezo. 18+. Sewerani mosamala.
Hi, and welcome to Hi-Fi Electronics. Most of you have been shopping with us for over 20 years, whether it be for musical instruments, electronics, or appliances for home or office use, all from top quality, original brands. We are now excited to announce that we are moving from our Area 3 location by NBS Bank to this, South Park Mall, some 200 meters away from our old location. For directions, if you are coming from Lilongwe Post Office in Area 3, head up the road past NBS Bank. Continue to the T-junction by Total Filling Station. Take a right and you'll find South Park Mall on your left. We look forward to welcoming you to our new location at Hi-Fi Electronics.
From the sweat and determination of our hard-working farmers through the rich soils of Salima emerges Malawi's finest sugar cane. This exceptional cane is processed with care to bring you Salima Sugar, the true test of Malawian sweetness. Crafted with pride by Malawians, Salima Sugar brings a touch of local excellence to your kitchen. Each packet you buy supports thousands of cane growers and countless jobs, all working passionately to deliver this premium product right to your table. Whether you're baking a special treat, running a tea room, brewing toba for a celebration, or simply adding a touch of sweetness to your coffee, trust Salima Sugar to deliver the best results. Produced with the pristine waters of Lake Malawi, Salima Sugar, 100% Malawian, 100% pure sweetness. Buy Salima Sugar, trust Salima Sugar, and savor our undiluted sweetness today. Salima Sugar, Kuzuna.
I can sing it better.
Hi Ivy.
Hello.
Zwenda?
Zwenda wambili.
Mwagonzeka lero?
Ndagonzeka.
Naona turi mwagonzeka. Love your dress.
Thank you.
What song are you singing?
Daily. Anemba Shama.
Daily.
Yes.
Okay. Tagonzeka sana fe udimti mfe kuri daily. Ili rugabwanji lero.
Tabino.
Sure.
You are the one in a million, a million, a million. You are the one in a million, a million, a million. Love is a beautiful thing if you have a lover who loves to be you. Love is a wonderful thing if you have a lover kuvetsetsa uri mamona enela konde naikazi ainela mvele urizorele sizatsiku limodzi mzadeile olonga khale urakalamba ndisiza ndikakuyang'ana ndisiza kuza kumwetulila deile baka tsiku la ukwati tsiku nditsolowe mdoti boriko kondani kwathu deile baka tsiku la ukwati tsiku nditsolowe mdoti boriko kondani kwathu deile you are the one in a million. You are the one in a million. One in a million. One in a million. You are the one in a million. You are the one in a million. Tamaliza.
You are the one in a million.
Yeah.
Number one.
The
only thing that I would say is when you're singing, listen to yourself. Right? You have a monitor there. So you need to listen to your voice when you're singing, because when you're trying to project your voice higher, you're slightly going off key. Otherwise, I like the punch in your voice and the fact that you own the song.
Hi, Ivy.
Hello.
I think Zambili anenagala judge. Inendingo phela kuma ngombe kuti voice control ndiyofunika whenever you're projecting your voice. Sure. So as long as much as you're enjoying the song, singing it, make sure you are also looking into the other details and that my projection but I love it kudi at least you have gone out of your shell. Wakangati wasanka nyimbo edi kudonetsa kudi I can go higher, because the last time I was here nyimbo yako inali moderate a bit, so I think that's all for me. Sure.
Ine lero ndangobwera muzango njoya nyimbo zantu. Ndeno I think wakha kwambiri kuti uganisira kuti uli mu competition now zima kupanga affect kwambiri. Thank you, all the best. Yeah.
I can sing it better.
Abano ndili ndi Ivy amene anaimba Hana kuma audition if I remember correctly. Sijoji? Okay, ndo naimba Hana. I think the other time unaimba koso nyimbo ya Jijewa was this time around. Zinavuta kuti usankheso nyimbo ina ya Jijewa kapena you were like, I've got this.
Isi zitavude. Sanga makondo imbaza Jijewa koma nthena kina sankha kwa Chizungu pamene zinavuta.
Zinavuta but nthawi imene.
Chizungu nkumbali. Nikaimba ma lyrics aboza daimba nyimbo ya Beyonce ya Hero. Hello. Then nachori Hero de Malawi.
Okay, koma tango tuza zoti competition waphunzirako chani chiyambire ni mmene unamba ma auditions mpaka zafika pano uli mu top 10.
Okay, ndaphunzirapo zinthu zingapo koma chinthu chachikulu chimene ndaphunzirako zona kuti majaji chimene ndiuza zona kuti I should learn kupanga control voice yanga mango imwaza ndi apo pono ndaphunzira zona kuti another time ndisizapanga control voice yanga.
They sing mmene wapangira perform. Do you think you're going to make it into the top 5?
Awo ndizitengera kuti majaji omene aonera zona kuti munthu yapitilire kapenai koma I've tried my best koma
what is self confidence in your eye?
Of course ilimo koma anthu akuimba.
Okay, so if you were to make it into the top 5 what would you say zotani?
muyembekezereza bwino kwambiri sinanga ndio ndikhauri ndachoka kutali ndafika mu top 5 ndoti ndeuti I will try my best zona kuti I should make it the winner.
All right, siringo kufunirani zabwino zonse. Zikomo.
I can sing it better.
Bobo. Okay, lero moti imbira zotani.
Ndoimbira ni nyimbo ya Zikachala dzina lanu.
Dzina lanu.
Can you speak up? We can't hear you.
Ndiupatsira ni nyimbo imene ya Zikachala dzina lanu.
Okay. Take a deep breath. I feel like so nervous. Yeah?
Yahweh tilambira dzina lanu tilambira Yahweh tilambira dzina Limachotsa manyazi limabubuda misozi Yesu Yesu podi dzina lanu aya nilona liliga Yesu Limabubut misozi Yesu Yesu hakuna kama wewe Yesu hakuna kama wewe Bwana Yesu palibeonga Yesu palibeonga eno Mbuye Yesu palibeonga eno Yesu palibeonga eno Mbuye Yesu tasoonga eno yeah Limachotsa manyazi limabubuda misozi Yesu
Komano personally nyimbo iyi ndaifira ndimaenjoya. You were in the song, everything. Should it happen kuti you go past this stage, keep it up.
Hi Tracy.
Hi.
I think pofika stage ukuyeneka kudziwa kuti paliso anthu ena amene akuifuna mphoto. Yeah. So whatever you do, make sure your eyes are on the prize. So how you maneuver your songs, your song choices, it will always contribute to the price itself. Why I'm saying this is, but in Tawizena, you went high, komano umaganika kuru ukafike kumene gogo, and then umazabwera ngati apa kuti uyimalize se melody chabwino bwino. So things like those. Two, this wakazi wakamene gogo ukapange ko tone bit. It's okay. You mubwera baba. Yeah. Ugamayimba kamene gogo, it's not always that you have to put it anywhere. No. Sure.
Thank you.
I've enjoyed your performance. Today I was more listening to your singing. The worship. I wanted to listen to what you're doing. Just as what Helen said. I will say again what I said last time. I think I said it to you. You know how to play around with your voice, but just know when and where to play around with your voice. Right?
Yeah.
Because sometimes it can do injustice, but that was good.
Thank you.
Did. All the best.
Thank you.
You can breathe.
I can sing it better.
All right, ukaona competition yako yomwe wapanga nkati muja. Do you think we are going to make it into the top 5?
No, I'm not sure.
Why are you not sure?
It's tough. I'm not sure.
All right, anyway, wishing you all the best as you continue with your musical journey. I'm pretty sure kuti simusira pompa mubiti.
Yeah, kwambiri, because ineyo ndende muntu amene I love to sing and I love it. It's my career, so ndichimene ineyo ndakazikapo kwambiri. So I can say kuti kuno wandithandizaso kwambiri pa ndi career yanga, kunena kuti zinthu zina zimene ndimatha kuzipanga kumeneko career yanga ko ndimazifira kuti ndizabwino, but here I've learned kuti apapa sunapange bwino, ukapanga chonchi sunapange bwino. So zimene ndaphunzira kuti zandithandizira kuti I will maintain that mpaka zinthu zipitirire.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
I can sing it better.
Welcome to Hi-Fi Electronics, where music enthusiasts can find the best selection of high-quality audio equipment. At Hi-Fi Electronics, we believe in providing our customers with the best possible service and support. Our team members are trained to be experts in our products and are passionate about sharing their knowledge with our customers. Our amplifiers and speakers are designed to deliver the clearest and most dynamic sound, whether you're playing live or recording in the studio. Our electric guitar selection includes the latest models from top brands, and our knowledgeable staff can help you find the perfect one to fit your style. Visit Hi-Fi Electronics today and upgrade your home with the latest home appliances and electronics.
Like a champion, sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usampata win, agreed it moyo wako. Dati play like a champion, sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usampata win, agreed it moyo wako.
Muzanena koma zizindikiro zisakhalapo ndi zonse loto zonse ndi Zodiak. Afrigaming International ndiyo vomerezedwa ndi Malawi Gaming and Lotteries Authority. Masewero amahiri atha kuyambitsa chizolowezi chomwe chikhoza kuyika moyo wanu pa chiopsezo. 18+. Sewerani mosamala.
From the sweat and determination of our hard-working farmers through the rich soils of Salima emerges Malawi's finest sugar cane. This exceptional cane is processed with care to bring you Salima Sugar, the true test of Malawian sweetness. Crafted with pride by Malawians, Salima Sugar brings a touch of local excellence to your kitchen. Each packet you buy supports thousands of cane growers and countless jobs, all working passionately to deliver this premium product right to your table. Whether you're baking a special treat, running a tea room, brewing toba for a celebration, or simply adding a touch of sweetness to your coffee, trust Salima Sugar to deliver the best results. Produced with the pristine waters of Lake Malawi, Salima Sugar, 100% Malawian, 100% pure sweetness. Buy Salima Sugar, trust Salima Sugar, and savor our undiluted sweetness today. Salima Sugar, Kuzuna.
I can sing it better.
Grace.
Yes.
Bobo.
Bobo.
Zikuenda?
Azuyenda.
Sure. Lero nde mwalibwesa zota.
Lelo ndimba nyimbo ya Beraka.
Okay.
And Sigikim Tambala.
Tambala.
Yes.
Simakonze?
Takonzeka.
Tena.
Yeah, sure. Na 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 na. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Muwale muchote zonse zomela zomwe mbuye simu natale tulo ndinatopa ndinafouka ndinalephera I lose control if we confess you're just to forgive. Your mercy new each morning, yeah. I'll say tambala, tambala, kalila. It's a new morning, a new beginning. Dilindi mayuina, tambala, tambala, kalila. You give no mercy, grace for each new day. Dilindi mayuina, to do better, to give more, to love your people and serve you more, to love you more, to learn from my mistakes, to get close to you. Dilindi mayuina. Your mercy cover me up, I ain't worried about nothing. My faith keeps on going up, the faith that I have in you. You give me a new life, you give me in the morning. There's nothing you can do, Lord, I know. We confess you're just to forgive. Your mercy new each morning, yeah. I'll say tambala, tambala, kalila. It's a new morning, a new beginning. Dilindi mayuina, tambala, tambala, kalila. It's a new morning, grace for each new day. Dilindi mayuina, to do better, to give more, to love your people and serve you more, to love you more and learn from your mistakes and get close to you. Dilindi mayuina. Thank you.
Hi Grace.
Hi.
So I feel like the key was just okay for you. Komano, if you find very good Gracie, aguyimba, aguyimba need to. Sure, I think you were running away from the high keys. Yeah, you were just going. It just didn't really thingy with me. Komano, yeah, it was all okay. Your vocals, I think you. You went off key a bit before you really came in. Komano, yeah, I really wanted to see the high maneuvering of your voice. Sure.
Grace.
Yes.
I would say something closer to what you say. Uramba guimba nakala pay. Your voice was just going low and a bit flat. So I was like, okay, I think where the key gives you an opportunity to go higher, because I think there was more room for you. And then you went higher, and then you went back low. I wish you gave us a little bit more of those high notes, because I think you sound good when you are hitting those notes. Was that the best that you thought you'd give?
No, I think maybe I could have done better.
Why didn't you do better?
Okay, I think also I couldn't really hear the instrumental. It was a bit low. But other than that, I think, maybe it was the nerves. I was maybe afraid to
Let
hit
me
high.
say this. The stage is yours. We're just an audience. You know, when you have an opportunity to do something to your best, use that opportunity. Mistakes are made. But you know what? Take those risks.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So next time you're there, if you're gonna be there, don't be scared to take such kind of risks.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, Grace, so far so good. So, and also wish you all the best.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Now we have Grace, who is also part of the competition. Can you just tell us, how have you seen the journey so far? You made it into the top 25 after the auditions. Up until now, you're into the top 10.
I think so far the journey has been quite challenging. I think coming from the auditions to finally getting to top 10, it's been such a journey. We've had to learn so much. I've learned so much from my competitors, as well as the comments from the judges. It's really helped me to grow as a musician. So yeah, it's been bittersweet, but great as well at the same time.
Yeah, if you look at your journey, do you think there's some things that you would have done better?
I think maybe trying to work on my nerves, because I think my nerves are the ones that got the best of me in certain performances, which I feel like I could have done better. I don't know if there's a way of getting rid of your nerves, but I think I could have done better in trying so hard to fight those nerves so I can perform better. But just hope that I've done my best.
All right, so I think you're one of the people who has been singing English songs from the very first up until now.
Yeah.
So now they were like, all right, you guys need to choose a local song. How was that for you?
Kumano ndinayesetsa what I should find a song that I could resonate with, Kumaso to find an artist that at least I could like connect with. So yeah, it was difficult. Yeah.
So do you think you're going to make it into the top 5?
Well, I hope so. I really hope so. I mean, we've worked so hard to get here, and I really hope so. I'm hopeful I'll be in the top 5. I hope so. Yeah.
All right. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I can sing it better.
From the sweat and determination of our hard-working farmers through the rich soils of Salima emerges Malawi's finest sugar cane. This exceptional cane is processed with care to bring you Salima Sugar, the true test of Malawian sweetness. Crafted with pride by Malawians, Salima Sugar brings a touch of local excellence to your kitchen. Each packet you buy supports thousands of cane growers and countless jobs, all working passionately to deliver this premium product right to your table. Whether you're baking a special treat, running a tea room, brewing toba for a celebration, or simply adding a touch of sweetness to your coffee, trust Salima Sugar to deliver the best results. Produced with the pristine waters of Lake Malawi, Salima Sugar, 100% Malawian, 100% pure sweetness. Buy Salima Sugar, trust Salima Sugar, and savor our undiluted sweetness today. Salima Sugar, Kuzuna.
Hi, and welcome to Hi-Fi Electronics. Most of you have been shopping with us for over 20 years, whether it be for musical instruments, electronics, or appliances for home or office use. all from top quality original brands. We are now excited to announce that we are moving from our Area 3 location by NBS Bank to this South Park Mall, some 200 meters away from our old location. For directions, if you are coming from Lilongwe Post Office in Area 3, head up the road past NBS Bank. Continue to the T-junction by Total Filling Station. Take a right and you'll find South Park Mall on your left. We look forward to welcoming you to our new location at Hi-Fi Electronics.
Like a champion, sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usampata win, agreed it moyo wako. Dati play like a champion, sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usampata win, agreed it moyo wako.
Muzanena koma zizindikiro zisakhalapo ndi zonse loto zonse ndi Zodiak. Afrigaming International ndiyo vomerezedwa ndi Malawi Gaming and Lotteries Authority. Masewero amaheri atha kuyambitsa chizolowezi chomwe chikhoza kuyika moyo wanu pa chiopsezo. 18+. Sewerani mosamala.
I can sing it better.
Aba competition ndeti mati yafika pa chinde ma judges tangonduzani kuti kodi first 5 munaiona bwanji?
For me, I think ambiri lero abwera mwamantha mwina ndi chichewachi ka ambiri mwina tikumabisalira mu English koma I think it was a challenging episode for everybody. Komano the show has to go on. Sure.
Nanga Joseph.
Yeah, ineyo mene mabwera lero, right? This being semi-final. Honestly, nabwera kuno kuti kuli cream ndingo enjoy the performances now because until my comments yambiri tabasa in the past. So kumano surprisingly, as my colleague has said, ambiri achanomba mino kanga takuopa. Akanga akupanga so kumene audition yeti. So I think my advice to now is they shouldn't mind us, they should just be free. We should also enjoy their performances. Yeah, sure.
All right, and Luke?
My expectation for today was it was going to be fireworks. Koma muna nkandi lero ndi amantayo anthu akuziwa kuti competition iwira kumapeto, and they're trying to be careful. They don't want to come out of their cocoons. So I should say it's one of the shows that I didn't really enjoy because what I was expected was, this is what we say the best.
Yeah. Right? Yes.
And they didn't live up to that bill. So maybe we'll have to see in the next round or in the next 5.
Yeah.
To see what they have for us.
Alright, Malawi mmene mundimeta malizira program yathu lero, program imene ya I Can Sing It Better. Kuti mudziwe kuti kodi mu top 5 muli ndani, tiyeni kumaneso wiki ya mawa. Ine langa dzina ndali nafe chunga, pitirizani kuonera Zodiak Television.
I can sing it better.
Brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.